In this video I'll show you how to install Snapchat on your Android phone. So as with all apps on an Android, you need to go into the Play Store. Once inside, click on the search icon at the bottom, and then in the search bar at the top simply search for the app in question, which is Snapchat. Click on Snapchat from the search results. Feel free to scroll around to have a look at a bit of information about the app, reviews, etc. When you're ready to install, simply click the blue install button. That will now start downloading to your phone. This could take several minutes depending on internet speed, etc. Once downloaded, it'll then start installing to your phone. Again, this could take several minutes. Once the app's installed and ready to go, you can simply click the blue open button to go direct to the app from within the Play Store app. But I advise that you come out of the app, out of Play Store, and scroll through your installed apps just to make sure there's a shortcut icon there, which as you can clearly see there is. So then click on that just to make sure the link is working. And that's how you install Snapchat on an Android phone.